I had not seen these guys in 3 or 4 days. I was a little worried. I was a little worried about them. I was a little worried about you guys. I hadn't seen you. One, two. I'm missing a young one. There's the one big one and the two smaller ones, but there seems to be a young one missing. There's only 3. Hopefully it just got misplaced. That's oh, here it comes. Here it comes. It's coming out of the woods now. All right, that's better. I missed you guys. I was a little worried about you. Oh, you telling me you're okay, that I shouldn't worry? I can't help it. I can't help it, Mama. I worried because I didn't see you. Whoa, they're so fast I can't keep up.